Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hi, we're happy you're here today.
This podcast is for beginners. We use simple English. We speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, don't worry. You don't need perfect English. Just listen, learn, and try.
Today's topic is hobbies.
Hobbies are things you like to do in your free time.
For example, reading, cooking, playing football, listening to music.
In this episode, you will learn easy sentences. You can use them every day.
Please listen first, then repeat with us.
And if you like this podcast, please subscribe and follow us.
Okay, let's start.
Tom, let me ask you a question.
Okay,
What is your hobby?
my hobby is reading.
Nice! Everyone, listen again.
My hobby is reading.
Good job! You can change the last word.
Let's try some examples. My hobby is cooking.
My hobby is watching TV.
My hobby is listening to music.
Your turn. Pause the podcast. Say one sentence.
Great. You're doing very well.
Now let's learn another sentence.
We can say, I like.
For example, I like drawing.
I like playing games.
Let's repeat together.
I like drawing. I like playing games.
Nice work!
If you really enjoy something, you can say, I love.
I love music.
I love cooking.
Listen and repeat.
I love music. I love cooking.
Great job! Simple English is powerful.
Now, let's talk about time. You can say, I do it every day. For example, I read every day.
I listen to music every day.
Repeat with us. I read every day.
I listen to music every day.
Very good. You can also say, I do it on the weekend. I cook on the weekend.
I play football on the weekend.
Your turn again. Say one sentence.
Nice work! Keep practicing. Now let's practice a real conversation.
Listen first.
Hi, Tom. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Nice. When do you read?
I read every night.
Very simple. Very natural.
Now let's try again slowly.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
When do you read?
I read every night.
Great!
Now you try. Answer the questions.
What is your hobby?
Good.
When do you do it?
Excellent. You're doing great.
Now let's add one more easy sentence.
We can say, it makes me happy.
For example, I like drawing. It makes me happy.
I love music. It makes me happy.
Repeat with us.
It makes me happy.
Very nice.
Now, try a full example.
My hobby is cooking. I cook on the weekend. It makes me happy.
Simple sentences, but very good English.
You don't need long sentences. Short is okay.
Let's review some common hobbies.
Please listen and repeat.
Reading,
Cooking,
cooking,
playing sports,
listening to music.
drawing.
Good job!
Now make one sentence in your head.
Yes! Keep practicing every day.
Let's review today's key sentences.
Listen and repeat.
My hobby is reading.
I like cooking.
I love music.
I do it every day.
It makes me happy.
You did amazing today.
Learning English takes time, but you are doing great.
Now, a fun question for you.
What is your hobby?
And when do you do it?
Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing.
See you next time.
See you next time.